Hello guys, it's Prof and welcome to the second week of our tutorial series. It's Prof at Erictronix and this is Coded. Thank you Annie for the beautiful introduction. Now in this tutorials we are going to configure our Dev C IDE. An IDE stands for an integrated development environment. This means that several programs and commands needed to create a program from a particular programming language, in our case C++, has been put together to make life easier. An IDE normally consists of a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Most modern IDEs have intelligent code completion. You can use the default Notepad application in your operating system to write a program in every programming language. The Notepad is known as a universal text editor. However, you cannot use a word processor like Microsoft Office to write a program. Let me show you why. I have created a text document with Notepad that comes with Microsoft Windows and I've written in it, "Welcome to Coded." I have done the same thing in Microsoft Office version 13. I have saved these two files in my file system. So let's go ahead and check out these files. If I right click on the Notepad and choose Properties, this dialog box shows that the size of our Notepad or text file is 21 bytes. A byte is the size of a character. That means that we have 21 characters in this file. Remember, a space is also a character. Let's go into our text file and read it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is a space. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So these 21 characters, including the spaces, gives us the 21 byte. If I right click on the Word document and go to Properties, I have 11,405 bytes. Meanwhile, we have only 21 characters in it. So where from the extra 11,000 bytes? Well, Microsoft is a document processing software or a word processor. Your settings that you make when you are preparing a document are all saved together with the file. This makes it possible for Microsoft to retrieve and restore every settings that you make. So if I write my C++ program, or if I use Microsoft Word as an editor, whenever I save my source files, it's going to add these settings and that will make my work not compilable. This is the reason why I can't use a word processor such as Microsoft Office or LibreOffice for programming, or as a text editor for programming. However, to write a program in a simple notepad like that of Microsoft Windows is very, very time consuming. You will have to manually perform the build operations. When writing programs, we want our focus to be on the program we are writing. That means we can push some of the routine activities to scripts and other macros to perform. Using an IDE like Dev C++, for instance, gives us a very smooth programming environment. After I have finished writing my source code, all I have to do is click this button that says compile and run, and I'll have my executable file generated in just a single click. Dev C++ comes with some default settings which you may or may not like. Let us look at how to turn on some cool features of Dev C IDE. Let's start with the A style. I like how Java format its brackets, so I am going for the Java style. Then under tools editor options, you can try and set your IDE to look like mine. Because I do C++ programming a lot, I have already configured my IDE. I prefer to use consolas to any other font, and I've set my font to 17 because of the video recordings I am making. Then also you have to turn on your line numbers. It will help you, it will come in very handy. And also you can use this to adjust the size of the gutter. The gutter is the space occupied by the numbers. You can change your colors, and there are some default things that you can choose. You also have code completion. With code completion enabled, the IDE can automatically complete certain codes for you. You also have symbol completion, and if you look at mine, I've checked all of them. So once I type an opening brace, the IDE closes it automatically. Then if you're on a laptop desktop computer, don't mind me, that's my own term for a laptop that's has a very weak battery. That means that once your mains go off, your laptop also goes off. If you are on such a platform, or you are using a normal PC without a backup battery, then you would like to turn on the autosave option. With this slider, you can set the time interval for saving. With this done, you are good to go. Once you click OK, all the settings you have made will be saved permanently for all the works you do in Dev C. This is all for this episode. Thanks for watching our tutorials. Remember, practicing is the key. Until we meet again, have fun, more fun, and just fun. Once again, it's Prof at Erictronix, and this is Code It.